Welcome viewers. I'm at the Hollywood Mirage at the top of Cardiac Hill in Los Cristianos, and I'm just going to do a wee quick walking tour, so let's check it out. There we go. It's a kind of pool area. And there is a few different pools, but I'm just going to show you this one, but I'll show you the accommodation and stuff. See, it's quite a big complex. I have to say, this is really nice. Maybe one day I'll come stay here. There's a restaurant. There's a seating area. Look at that. It's lovely. There's the bar area. Let's see. We've got a fitness area. Oh, it's closed. It's some place, I have to say. There's another dining area. I'm guessing this is the breakfast area as well. Here we've got a beauty salon, a supermarket. There's a reception area. Just a wee quick look. I'm not actually staying here. Just having a wee look. Oh look, they've got an honesty bar. I like that. There's a reception area. What's out here? There's a pool down there, a patio. Take a wee look. Marilyn Monroe building. I didn't realise it's actually kind of movie themed, I think. Definitely movie themed. I suppose quite Hollywood Mirage. I didn't expect that. John Wayne. There's a locker room. "24-hour access." I think I've seen Scotsman Kevin doing this one actually. I can remember him doing something where he was in a wee room and there was lockers. I'm guessing that's it. The patio. It's got a clapperboard there, so let's see. I'd quite like to stay here, I think. I didn't do my research on this hotel, I came up here to do a video showing the market, how to get to it and showing all the hotels around here. There's Port Royal over there. I'm not going to do any tours of actual hotels up here, just this one. So there's at least 4 pools, I think, or maybe 3, I'm not sure. I think that was the 4th one I showed, but this is pool 3. And let's have a look and see. So accommodation, and there's a pool. This looks quite a nice wee hotel actually. In fact, it's up the top of Cardiac Hill. I'd really need to think about it before I booked it. It'd be a taxi every time. I guess with Jacqueline, it's not practical. So look at this. That's a nice pool area. So I'll see what's up here. I've no idea where I'm going. I'm just wandering about and seeing what I come to. It's a really nice hotel. It's like a resort style hotel. Oh, there's another reception. There's a bar area and kind of cafe. Pool table. Beverly Hills Heights.
The white ball?
Ah, sorry, I didn't realise I'd gone into another hotel. So that was a wee tour. There's a Port Royal. Well folks, hope you enjoyed that wee brief tour. I'm sure there's other YouTubers that have done better than that. I just happened to be up here and I thought I'll just do a wee quick look about. So if you've enjoyed this video and you want to see my other videos, please check them out. Please like, subscribe and share. It would really help the channel out, and hope you've enjoyed. And I'll see you in the next one. Take care and bye bye.